It's your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here I am going to show you the examples that I have selected for my Csec Visual Arts theme.
Artwork Fly.
No, for those who are watching the series or those who are not watching the series, I am now at the examples. I did the introduction. I'm going to go further into details with it. Just stay tuned for that video, okay? So these are the examples of the theme. Now, I posted a video about the content page. Now, a part of the content page is the examples of the theme. Alright, so my theme is wings and fins. So the title is examples of the theme wings and fins. Alright, so these are Google inspired examples, not your own artwork, but images from the internet. Alright guys, so you're showing them what inspired you to do your theme. Alright, so remember now, as I mentioned in the recommendations, ensure that your photograph is mounted. So for example, like that. So I put on a black border around it. This one already has a black border, so it doesn't need any. Ensure to always mount your photographs. So this should be centered, and it should be bold, and it should be 30, and it should be Times New Roman. Alright, sometimes you don't have to put the bold on it, but I recommend it being bold. Okay guys, so that is the example of the theme. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.